Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be solving the Rubik's Cube. I have Anything Guy right here, and I have Mysterious Man over here. He's going to be messing the cube up for me.
He should really be looking at the cube when he messes it up.
Are you done? And I'm going to start now.
Ryan, you should move the cube up a bit.
Okay.
He's gonna solve it.
He's going to solve it.
Where's the drama? Where's the drama?
He's doing it. Hallelujah.
That guy ran off to space. By one piece. Ah. Well, you keep getting that one piece off. That is so annoying.
Sorry if this video is a little boring.
He's just thinking.
I did something wrong, but at least I fixed it. And I'm super... Oh, why did it do that to me? Now I have to do this again.
He has to do it 3 million times, so better be watching. And don't leave the video, else.
2, 1.
And it's solved. All solved.
Which this took me longer than usual, but I don't know why.
So, is that the end of the video?
Probably. Drop a like and subscribe, and go check out his and that other guy's channel in the description below.
Okay.
See ya.